Take a deep breath. These affirmations are for you. 1. I am becoming the best version of myself, one step at a time. 2. I deserve peace, clarity, and a life that feels good. 3. I am stronger today than I was yesterday. 4. I trust the timing of my life. Everything is falling into place. 5. I let go of what I cannot control and choose peace instead. 6. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. 7. My hard work is creating the future I dream of. 8. I give myself permission to rest and recharge. 9. I attract positive energy, opportunities, and people. 10. I am proud of the person I am becoming.